Hey everyone, welcome back. Have you ever accidentally deleted an important file and panicked when it disappeared? Don't worry, today, we're diving into how to recover deleted files from the recycle bin in 2025. This is a simple, step-by-step guide that works on most Windows systems, and it's quicker than you think. Let's get started. First off, what even is the recycle bin? It's like a safety net for your files. When you delete something, it doesn't vanish immediately. It goes here for a second chance. This feature has been around for years, but in 2025, it's even more user-friendly with enhanced search options. Step 1. Locate the recycle bin on your desktop. It's that iconic trash can icon, usually right there on your screen. If you can't find it, just search for it in your taskbar or start menu. Step 2. Double-click to open the recycle bin. You'll see a list of all the files you've deleted recently. Use the search bar at the top to quickly find what you're looking for, super handy for those with tons of deleted items. Step 3. Once you've spotted your file, right-click on it and select Restore. Poof! It's back in its original location. If you want to restore everything at once, just select multiple files and hit Restore All from the top menu. But what if the file isn't there? Sometimes, files get permanently deleted by emptying the recycle bin or using Shift+Delete. In that case, don't freak out. In 2025, you can try built-in tools like File History on Windows or third-party software like Raykuva for deeper recovery. Always remember to stop using your computer immediately after deletion to avoid overwriting data. And there you have it. Your files are rescued. This process is straightforward and can save you hours of headache. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.